Today we are talking all about the weaning process in rabbits. And I'm Danielle from the Slaughterhouse Farm. Welcome to our channel where we bring you new content every week on how to start your own homestead or small farm and live a more self-sustainable lifestyle. But without further ado, let's get into what is weaning. Let's first talk about weaning. Weaning is going to begin from the moment a rabbit is born to around 6 weeks of age. And this is basically the stage of a baby rabbit going from the milk of their mother into actual food, so pellets, hay, and the stages that come with that, their body preparing for this and getting the right nutrition that it needs to become a fully grown adult rabbit. At 6 weeks of age, they are going to be usually fully weaned, and this is when they're going to have the correct gut flora to actually start eating real food like pellets, any types of grass clippings, hay, or anything else that they would find out in nature. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, we have so much great content on rabbits that you're definitely going to want to check out over here, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you aren't already a member of our community, because we have so much more videos on rabbits and breeding them that are coming up in the next couple of weeks, and we want to make sure that you're along for the journey. Okay, bye.